Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to talking about a next generation WordPress hosting, xCloud. As a developer and as an agency owner, we want a WordPress hosting that is super speedy and our site must be super speedy. We want CDN network configuration and we want to manage and control all of our server in one platform. Like as we can connect Vultr account, DigitalOcean account in our xCloud platform. And we can also manage all of this server in, I'm using this platform almost over 2 months. So I'm going to give you a dashboard overview for this platform. Just go to xCloud.host site. You can also check out the pricing. The first one is xCloud Managed Server. This is the tab. You can customize your package as you want for 1 GB RAM, 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 and 32 GB. For 1 GB, you will get 1 GB RAM, 1 virtual CPU and 25 GB SSD. Light premium version, you will get 32 GB NVMe SSD. That is super speedy for your e-commerce site, and you will have to add $2.5 for this package. You can choose any of these package as you need, and you can also connect your own server. First one is free plan. You can use one server and 10 sites without any credit card required. For starter package, you will get $5 per month server and 1 to 5 server and unlimited site as you resource. And professional plans give you $4 per month and 6 to 10 server. Agency platform, you will get $3 per month, 11 plus server, almost unlimited site. And this is the pricing plan right now. You can join the managed server platform or you can bring your own server in this platform. So how you can actually join? You can also click this one to get started, and you can also choose any of this package to buy now to join in this platform. I'm going back to this top and click on join free. You will have to put your credential, your name, your email address and password confirmation and this check mark to agree to their term and privacy policy. So sign up. This will give you a verification, email verification. After verification, just log into their site. So you will give an option for email and password. Just log in. I am giving my credential right now. After login this platform, this is my dashboard right now. This is free plan I am going to use, and you will have the option to try xCloud Playground to check how it's actually work. This is for documentation, and at the top side, this is dashboard and all site. If you have site in your platform, all of the site will be here. The right side, this is the search for server and site. This is the state, event state. If you are creating a site, you are creating a server, all of this event will be stored here. And this is the option for sorting by server name, and also this is for our site name. At the top right bar, you will have the option for your team management. Right now, you can choose this my profile. You have the option for team settings and bill and payment setting. If you want to try a playground, just click on this try playground. Title of the site title, this is the staging domain. So you will have the option for full page caching and Redis object caching right now. If you have blueprint, what is blueprint actually? This is predefined plugins and themes you want to install in your WordPress site. You can also view all of your blueprint. This is predefined blueprint from there, and you can also disable this, and you have the option for advanced setting for this database right now. I'm going to click next. They will create a playground site for you. This will create your playground site. All of this server settings, verifying DNS, PHP institution, all of these things, it will take few minutes. So between this, I want to explore this platform. The right side, choosing your my profile. So this is your profile setting. You can update your information from here. This is the security, password, authentication, browser session right now, and team management setting. You have full control over your team management setting in xCloud. It's absolutely free. And this is all events. These are all events I have created, I have initiated in this platform, and my blueprint. That's the blueprint. You can also create a new blueprint here. So this is forbidden right now as I am using the playground team. So go back to my team. So I can now access the bill and payment setting. So this is the bill and payment setting right now. And this is the team setting, all of the team setting. And this is the security and team management. You can have the SSH access key integration for server provider, cloud player, CDN network integration, and storage provider. You can also add any storage provider, email provider. You can choose xCloud managed email provider, or you can also connect any other platform. Choose Mailgun, SendGrid, and other platform. So xCloud is giving a affordable email solution for $1 per month. Okay, and this is for notification, all of this notification to getting your notification. So I will have to add a payment method for this platform to access some of these settings. So this is the subscription package, team product, all of this package right now. If I have more than one team, so this will be available here, team product and image subscription. If I have image subscription, this will add it here. And this is all event also, and my blueprint. As always, my blueprint, I can create a new blueprint here. And if I want to archive this server, I can archive this and delete this server from here. So right now I have this control. I have to create a new server, add new server. So this is the option right now. So this is the Vultr account. I can add free Vultr account to get free credit, $100 credit by xCloud promo to using 6 months free hosting Vultr account. So DigitalOcean, if you are new user in DigitalOcean, you can also get $200 credit to add this. And if you are Google Cloud, a new user, as a new user, you will get $3,000 credit to add this. And you can also add headgener account. And if you have fresh Ubuntu server, you can connect that server with this. They have the managed server right now. If you want to add this one, you will have to add billing method. See, this is the notification activate. If I want to add this one, I must have to activate billing method right now. If I want to connect this one, just click on this and connect your new account, Vultr API key, Vultr 11 and verify. So this is for Vultr account. If I want to connect DigitalOcean, this is also just a authorization of DigitalOcean. And for Google Cloud, this is the same settings for upload JSON and verify. And you can also choose server between Open Lightespeed and NGX. And this is for headgener account. So you will have to add API token and a label for. So for payment method, just go to payment method tab. Just click on add payment method. Now this is a link and debit and credit card. You will have to add debit card. So if you have a Payoneer account, you can just add card information, month, CVC, and save this information for one click checkout. So that's how you can add a payment method right now. So after this payment method, you will be able to add a server, log into my active account. That's have billing method. So this is my active account. That's have server 3 server right now, and total 18 site. That's start plan for now. I have a xCloud managed server. I have used another Ubuntu server, and this is also xCloud managed server for newcomer. This is light and this is the normal version. So I have this. Now I can also create a server. So I'm going to add this new server button. New server. So this is for Vultr account. So if I want to add xCloud managed server, so this is, you will have to give a server name to so understand which server you are using. And this is for server type, general or premium version. Premium is going to give you an NVMe SSD, and this is for normal SSD. So you have to choose any of this plan, and you will have the option to choose a region data center. If you want to choose Europe, that will give you location for Europe, and if you want to choose Africa, this is, and for Asia, this is Tokyo. So all of this setting, if you will have to choose any of this one. You can also choose database settings. If you want to add auto backup, you will have to pay $1 per month. So this total cost will increase, and you will have an option for choosing NGX version or Open Lightspeed version. To choose any of this one, go to next, and they will all of these provisioning, all of these settings for you, will take a payment for you and will create a server. So I don't want to add any server right now. So after creating a server, you will have the option for creating a site. So go back to your site, add a new site, choose your server from any of these, just go to next. You have the option for new installation, Git repository, and migrating a WordPress website, and manual upload website, and migrate full server right now. If you have a Ubuntu server, you can also migrate full server. So I'm going to add new WordPress installation. If you have domain, you can also go live from this here. I'm going to giving this staging environment. So I have almost unlimited site, staging site, and unlimited domain adding option. So I'm giving a title, just testing. We can add create tag right now. This is giving a domain, testing domain. If you want to enable multi-site domain, enable multi-site from this here. You have the option for subdomain and subdirectory. Subdirectory will create a site. This is the site, right? If I give a name like a WP, this will the subdirectory. And if I want to add subdomain, that will create a domain name, demo dot the site name. Okay, so if you want to choose any of this one, you can do. I don't want to enable multi-site. This is full page caching or Redis object caching for you, and if they will give you 100 email per month for your site. This is free, absolutely free, and you can choose any of this blueprint, and you can also create a new blueprint here. I don't want to add any blueprint, and I have the control over this advanced settings. I don't want to do right now. So go to next. So this is now, this will take few minutes right now. This is 27%. So this is super easy and super fast speed installation, lightning fast installation, as I say. This is our site right now. I have already created, and this is the staging domain. I can also, this is the most recent event already, and I can also add basic authentication. You can also access this with Magic login. So this is our dashboard right now. You can also remove or part cache and clone site and delete site from this option, action button at the right side. You can also visit this site right now. This is the server location I'm using for this site, and this is the staging tab. You can go live from this one, and next one is SSL HTTP. This is managed by xCloud. If you want to manage the SSL after going domain, so you can manage that SSL by adding a DNS from cloud server. If you already have DNS added in your team, so you can choose this one. So all of the SSL certificate will managed by Cloudflare. This is the updates. Update tab will give you access to update all of these plugin and themes from this platform. And this is the backup for your site. This is the backup setting and previous backup. And this is the monitoring setting for your site, like the hotkey, how many CPU uses, memory uses, disk uses, all of these settings. This is the redirection. If you want to redirect your site to another domain or another part, so you can do this from here. Choose the redirection option and this is the email provider. You can choose any of this email provider right now. This is the free, and this is the xCloud managed server I am using right now. So you can choose any of this one. This is the WP config for your site. This is really important when you are developing your site. You can also manage this debug mode from by coding WP config file. And access detail give you a permission to use SSH access FileZilla. You can also use your SSH access FTP plugin also. This is the database management system. You can use the database from this control panel, and you can also access file manager of your site to modify, customize any of this file of your site. And another one is caching plugin. Most important things is we can use free NGX caching plugin, or you can use most popular plugin WP Rocket, WP Super Cache, and Total Cache in your site. This is Redis object cache. This will super fast your site experience also. This is the log all of the details of WP debug log and all of the setting for NGX. This is the event. I have already created lots of event, so you can also check out all of this event. And this is the NGX version. So I have you can also preview the NGX mode. And this is the settings, advanced settings for your site. You can update your PHP version from here. You can also update your xCloud cron job and WP cron job every 5 minutes, or give a customization for your site. This is the memory site limit PHP version. You can choose any of these and increase your memory limit for your site. And this is for using a security 7G firewall, and you can also file generation Xframe option. So this is also basic authentication. If you want to add a basic authentication, you can also enable this one. Give a username and password. Before admin password, you can give a extra layer for your site. And this is the debug mode. Again, you can also enable debug mode from this. You can also disable site. If you want to put your site in maintenance mode, you can use this option to disable site to access. And you can also delete this site from here. So this is the advanced setting for your site. So this is probable settings, all of these settings for your site depending on your NGX version or Open Lighting. Find this video helpful. So give me a like, and if you have any question regarding xCloud, give a comment in this video section and let me know how you are finding xCloud hosting for your WordPress site. Thank you. See you in next.